Hey there, are you experiencing issues with your Apple Pay account? This week I'm here to guide you on how to fix Apple Pay account restricting. With seamless transactions just a few taps away, it's no surprise that a restricted account can cause a lot of frustration. But don't worry, we're here to get your Apple Pay up and running smoothly again. Step 1. Verify your identity. The first step in resolving a restricted Apple Pay account is to verify your identity. Apple might have restricted your account due to security concerns or incomplete verification. Open the Wallet app and, if prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to provide any necessary identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure all the details you submit are accurate and match the information linked to your Apple ID. Step 2. Check your payment method. Sometimes an outdated or expired payment method can lead to restriction. Head over to your Wallet app and tap on the problematic card. Ensure that all the details, including the expiration date and CVV, are up to date. If you have any pending payments, clear them using another active card or update your billing information. Step 3. Contact your bank. If verifying your identity and updating your payment methods didn't resolve the issue, it might be time to contact your bank. Sometimes transactions could be flagged or your card might be on hold due to suspicious activity. Reach out to your financial institution and inquire about any holds or restrictions. They can provide insights and potentially lift any blocks on your card. Step 4. Update your iPhone software. Ensuring your device has the latest software update is crucial for app functionalities. Check for any available iOS updates by going to Settings, General, Software, Update. An updated iOS ensures compatibility with Apple Pay services and often fixes bugs that might be affecting your account. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If all else fails, your next step should be contacting Apple Support for assistance. You can do this from the Apple Support app on your iPhone or by visiting Apple Support website. Explain your issue clearly and provide any error codes or messages you've encountered. The support team is well equipped to diagnose more complex problems and offer solutions tailored to your specific situation. And that's a wrap on how to fix Apple Pay account restricted. By following these steps, verifying your identity, double-checking payment method, contacting your bank, updating your software, and reaching out to Apple Support, you can resolve most issues and get your account back to normal. Remember, a little patience and attention to detail can go a long way in overcoming these annoyances. So, get back to enjoying the convenience of Apple Pay with these simple fixes. Have a great day and happy spending.